Chips. Am I the only one that thinks like the small bag of chips are like the best bag of chips? I swear they taste better than the big bags. It's nothing like it, especially these. Like, let me tell you, I gotta eat in like 2 at a time, too. One on this side, one on that side. I promise it's set it off. Set it all the way forward. The camera loves you, baby. Okay, so today's video, guys, first of all, welcome back, babes. Today's video is basically going to be about my wig. Yes, it's a wig. It is by Freetress Equal, the luxury integration. It's the freedom part, styles in any angle, so it could be a side part, you know, middle part, or whatever. To be exact, it is in the color 1B, and it's curling flat iron friendly or whatever, you know, set up to 400 degrees. So pretty much the basic instructions. I'm gonna show it to you guys. Sorry, it's kind of bent up because I was trying to get the hair out the box, but I'm gonna show it to you in the back. I'm gonna show you the front. You see that? This is the front. And let me tell you, first of all, it was only after tax $52.99, but when I got it off the shelf, obviously it was like $49.99, but that's just tax anyway. So I got it. As a review right now, I would have to say that it's very full. I love that it's very full. I obviously had to put some makeup in the part though, because I don't have on a wig cap, and then 2, I needed to match right, look as you know, real as possible. What I did was lay out some baby hairs. I'm gonna fix it later. I was kind of rushing when I did it, so bear with me if it look a little wild right now. But you see, I got the comb on deck. It didn't give me the length. That was the only thing that I can say. I would say it's about, looking at everything, maybe 16, 18-ish. I'll give it that much. So I say it's about that much. It's the texture is really, really soft. I can say that. It is really, really soft. It's very flowy. And I just got it, so obviously it's not really gonna be any shedding. So I will give an update on this wig and how it holds up. But that's pretty much, you know, it about this wig. I have other ones too, but I'm not gonna say no names. But the other one that I got, it was really thin. I didn't like the thinness of it. I like my hair to be full, but I don't like it to be too full because I got a small head, clearly. What was the other one that I got? Oh, it shedded too much. The other one that I got shedded too much. So I'm trying to find the right wigs. So I know hair sheds or whatever, but I'm trying to do minimal shedding. Let me put this comb down. I'll be swinging this comb all day. But I love this. I got it from, I restated again, the beauty supply store. To be honest with you guys, it's nothing much that I could really say bad about this wig. It wasn't an ear-to-ear lace frontal. If I'm not mistaken, I think it was like a 4x4. Honestly, this wig is like mad soft. I didn't expect it to be so soft, to be honest with you. I really didn't. I was expecting like, you know, rough texture, very stringy, and, you know, overall just not that great of a quality. And I know it's kind of like, well, if you expected that, why would you buy this brand? It's not that I really just expected it of this brand. It's what I expected of any wig that's that good of a price or that good of a deal, honestly, because people be wanting to charge you like your whole house loans and freaking insurance policies just to get a great wig. Don't get me wrong, because people be laying their wigs. It's just that when you balling on a budget beauty, you know, college student and all, you need something that's affordable but still looks good. Make it look like, dang, she must got monies. Nah, I got some change, and this change is gonna make some change with this hair. So I'm not gonna lie, this hair is really, really good. So I do recommend, out of a 5-star range, 5 being the best, 1 being the worst, 0 being take that shit back to the store, I give it about a 4.5, to be honest with you, because it's a really good texture. I love the texture. It don't stink either. You know how you get new weave or whatever and it got that weave smell or whatever? Like, it don't smell like that. It's really, really nice. I don't believe that it was human hair. I believe it was synthetic. But anyway, I'm gonna read off the hair care instructions, just pretty much the basics of any hair, I guess. Before washing hair, brush out all tangles starting from the bottom and work up to the weft. For curly hair, do not brush. Finger comb to remove all tangles. Fill the sink or large container with lukewarm water and add synthetic wig shampoo. So it is synthetic. Swish the wig in shampoo water and wash gently. Swish the wig. What does swish mean? Like, let me swish. It says apply wig conditioner. Allow the fabric to absorb the conditioner for a couple of minutes and then rinse thoroughly. Gently squeeze excess water out of wig. Do not rub or twist the wig. Pat dry with a clean towel. Place wig on a wig stand and let air dry. Not gonna lie, in this photo, this is what I was expecting to get when I got this photo. When I got this wig, was a photo like that. Like, I was expecting for my hair to look like this. I'm glad it doesn't, because I was like, baby, that part ain't gonna cut it. So with this hair, I give it a 4.5. It's really good. I like it. I'm gonna come back to you guys too, maybe on like a curl routine with it. See how the curls hold up, because you know how sometimes you be curling a wig and the next you know the curl drop right as soon as you go to the next one. Don't need that. So I'm definitely gonna check that out with the curling process on my next video. That's pretty much it for this review. I restate the name again. As a matter of fact, I'm probably gonna put it in the not even probably, let me not do that, because I know some YouTubers say they're gonna put stuff in the description box and don't do it. I'm gonna do it. So I'm gonna put all the information in the description box below. Once again, if you're here for a reason. So subscribe and join the family. Also, follow me on my social media. That's also gonna be in the description box. This thing is like killing me. I wish I could see my hair right now. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Short and sweet review. Ain't much bad to say about it. If it was bad, I would be thrashing these people right now, but it's not. I recommend that anybody, if you're looking for a wig for a decent price, $49.99 plus tax, $52.99, you're gonna love this. Get it, install it, and wear it and be happy in it. Be glad and rejoice in it, because it's some good hair. Because I felt some other textures in that beauty supply store and I was like, ain't going for it. So I'm glad I chose this one.